So here in affiliate marketplace, so you just click this search icon, and we will find this new product here. It's called Alpiline. So look at the gravity. It's got 608 gravity score. So that means 608 unique affiliates have made sales for the past 30 days, and the conversion rate is 140 per sale. And if you take a look at the affiliate terms, so let's have a look and search for the word keyword. So as you can see, affiliates may not bid on keywords, word, sentence, or phrase, or any search engine such as Google, Bing, and Yahoo, where any part of keyword targeted contains alpiline. So that means we cannot do brand meeting, but that's okay. I will show you the keywords that you can use to get huge traffic. Okay, so let's head over to Microsoft Bing Ads. As you can see, I've been promoting a lot of products using Microsoft Bing Ads, and if you see the last, let's say 90 days, last 30 days, so I've been spending around $200 already, getting almost 2,000 clicks and almost 200,000 visitors. All right, and here using this free keyword tool, which is keyword2free. When you go to keyword2free.com and you type this keyword and click on discover keywords, you will have this bunch of suggested keywords which you can select and use in order to get traffic from Microsoft Bing Ads. So if you have this main keyword and all these keywords combined and put it in keyword planner using the keyword planner of the Microsoft Bing Ads, potentially you will get almost 10 million impressions. So I'm not exaggerating this. Okay, so if you head over to the suggested keywords, so over here, you must, when you type the main keyword, which I showed you from keyword 2 free, and all these keywords right here, so select all those keywords that you think may be a selling keyword to make a conversion using that product Alpiline. Okay, so for example, this one, definitely we will select that. What is the healthiest weight loss program? So we will be selecting that. Healthiest weight loss plan. So all this doesn't matter if they're just getting some information, as long as we will have a cost per click and cost effective CPC per keyword, okay, per visitor. Fastest ways to lose weight, so select all those related keywords that you think may convert to a sale. Okay, and then when you check the estimates, so as you can see here, we can potentially have up to 800,000 clicks, but of course we won't be getting all those visitors. It depends on our budget. So let's have $100 as our daily budget, and for example, we are willing to pay 15 cents a click. Okay, so here I'm putting 20 cents because my currency is based on Australian dollar, and I'm assuming 15 cents US dollar will be 20 cents AUD. So let's put it that way, and let's see how much traffic we could get. And as you can see here, just by putting this budget of $100.20 a click, or 15 cents in US, we can potentially have 5,000 visitors, okay, with these impressions, and we'll be spending this much. All right, so you can lower it down, depends on how much you are willing to spend on the campaign, and then make sure you create a really good campaign. Okay, so I have a bunch of videos on my channel on how you can effectively create a campaign using Microsoft Bing Ads. And before you create a campaign, it's very important to create your landing page. So if you are familiar with the pagepro.com, so it's a free landing page builder. It doesn't matter if you don't use the pagepro.com. Whatever landing page platform you are familiar with, you can use that. But to make this to make life easier, so you can just head over to the pagepro.com. It's very simple to create any type of landing page, especially from ClickBank. So because the pagepro.com is specifically made to create landing pages for ClickBank products. So as you can see, these are all the landing pages I created so far, and I've been promoting some of this using Microsoft Bing Ads. All right, so it's very easy. Just head over to add new landing page. So, and if you check one of the landing pages here, so let's check Java Burn. So you will just need to fill in some of the basic information here in the form, and then click on save offer. So I have step-by-step tutorial on how to create a simple landing page using the pagepro.com. Just check it on my channel. So I just don't want to repeat it here on this video, because I'm already made lots of videos on how we can create landing pages within 5 minutes or less using the pagepro.com. So here, when you save that and generated the landing page, so let's have a look. When you take a look, so it's simple yet effective. You can get all these like headlines and all this information from the sales page of ClickBank. So in this example, we are using Alpilin. So you can head over to the sales page of Alpilin. Just click the search result in the ClickBank Marketplace and you will be landed in this sales page. So you can just copy this information and save the product image. Okay, make sure you save the product image so that you can put it over here. So, just like this example Java Burn, it's got the product image over here and a little article at the bottom. Okay, then you can start promoting this from ClickBank. So sorry, from using Microsoft Bing Ads, this ClickBank product. So again, I'm not guaranteeing you that can make a sale if you follow this, but this is just a benchmark on how you can get started doing affiliate marketing if you're interested to start affiliate marketing using ClickBank. So make sure you have these important things: landing page, and then the important keywords that you're gonna select, and then the campaign, and then the advertising platform you're going to use. Okay, so just follow, subscribe, and watch my other videos on how you can get familiarized with using Microsoft Bing Ads. Okay, and I have a bunch of tutorials creating campaigns and landing pages here using different ClickBank products. Okay, so I hope you guys may find this video helpful, and if you do, please do subscribe and click the like button. Thank you.